How to add upsell in Shopify. First of all, install the app. You can find the app link in the description below. Simply click the app and install the app. After installing the app, click on activate to embed the app in your Shopify store. Enable this app and then click on save. Now click on create offer. Here we need to select the placement type, whether you want to add upsell in the product page, cart page, pop-up, post-purchase page. I want to add in the product page. Select this placement type. Here you can see different options: cross-sell, volume discount, frequently bought together, product add-on. I am selecting this cross-sell. Here you can see live preview as well. Here you can change the content you may also like. Here you can change the button text as well. If you want to add countdown timer, you can select this. Here you can see the countdown timer. After that, click on offer. You can add upsell for all products, for specific products, or for specific collections. If you want for specific products, you can select specific products from here. If you want for specific collections, you can select it from here. I want for all products. Click on all products. Here you can select the offer for specific products or automated recommendations. From here you can add a discount type as well, percentage, fixed amount from here as well. I am adding a 10% discount. Continue to design. Here you can see you can add a carousel stack. Here you can change the background color from here as well. You can see the live preview. You can change the corner radius as well. You can change the border size. You can change the theme font as well. You can customize everything according to your requirements. After that, click on placement, then click on publish. It might take 20 seconds for the offer to appear in the store. Here you can see the upsell is now showing. If you need any assistance related to Shopify, you can send your query to my email or send me a message to my LinkedIn profile. If you found this video helpful, hit the like button. If you have any questions, you can ask me in the comment section below.